With 2,000 pounds of capacity in the garage, how will you use your 2025 Outlaw Wild West 38M? This toy hauler can be anything you need it to be. Maybe it's a relaxing patio on the lake, a mobile office, or even a second home. And with seatbelts for 7, sleeping for 5, and nearly 5,000 pounds of cargo carrying capacity, there is room for the entire family and all your toys. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. I want to give you a quick spin around the 38M. You can use the back ramp door as a patio. It is set up like a patio right now. You can put out your guardrails, throw up the camping chairs, fish right at your campsite. It's a great setup. Look at all of the space you have in here though. Headroom galore. Tie downs for all of your gear. Storage nets up here for whatever it is you need. You even have your own AC unit to keep you cool if you just throw some chairs back here during a light rain and you want to just hang out. This is perfect for just about however you want to use it in the 38M. Heading into the bedroom, a sliding glass door. There's also a screen there, so if you want to pull the screens in the back on the garage, you can, and then pull the screen here and you're going to get a nice breeze through. Queen size bed back here, 3 cabinets above, reading lights, large wardrobe. Over here, ladder for the over cab bunk, more storage. Right over here, dresser top with all the charging ports that you can think of. Everything you need for a great motorhome. Let's start with our fridge. If we're talking about kitchens, look at all the room you have in here. Plenty of room for all the goodies that you can cook up right here. And what I love about this in the 38M is you have the best of both worlds here on your cooktop. An electric induction cooktop, 2 gas burners, and a convection microwave. Nice amount of counter space up here. Roll-out sink cover. Double bowl stainless steel sink, pull down sprayer, wireless charging with charging ports built in, more storage right up here. So a great roomy, spacious kitchen for pots and pans and anything you can think of you want to bring along. You can do it in here. This bathroom is huge. So remember, the lowest point in this 38M from a ceiling height is going to be 80 inches, and it just creeps up from there. So you're gonna have a lot of headroom in that shower. You have your porcelain toilet, a ton of counter space, tons of storage in here as well. A very comfortable bathroom. We're gonna take a quick glance at Rapid Camp Plus, because this is gonna be used every day to control your Outlaw Wild West from your lights. 5,500 watt gas generator on board. Set your auto gen start from here. Set your 2 roof ACs. You can even connect to the mobile app, Vega Touch Eclipse, so you can monitor and control your Outlaw Wild West anywhere in the US, Canada, and Mexico, which is really cool when you think about it. Into our living area. Dream dinette right here. Child safety tether built in. Smart TV, so connect to the WineGuard Connect 5G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender, and now you can stream anything you want right here in your Outlaw. Maybe you're gonna get a little work done here. Seatbelts here for the ride as well. Seatbelts and sleeping over on the sofa. So seatbelts for 7, sleeping for 5 in here. Nice shelf behind here. Look at that. More storage here as well. And then we get into the cockpit. So both of these chairs are going to swivel around. You can set up a table here, get whatever it is you need done here. Maybe you're sitting here in the morning and you're having a cup of coffee, or this is swivel around for the trip. Your flip out dash workstation, computer set up here, plugged in down below, 1800 watt inverter on board. So you can fire up the old laptop. Driver, you have all the tools at your disposal in your infotainment center, Sirius XM satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, switches and buttons for all the controls you need at a moment's notice. You can even start your generator from there. As we head outside, we'll walk around and point out all of the features. Right now we have the awning out That is controlled through Rapid Camp Plus. You can put that out with the app. TV outside, so if you want to turn this into a drive-in movie, you can. And tons of storage bays. We have propane and fresh water fill right there. Then over here, another large storage bay. More storage, tons of storage on this. This is going to be batteries and breakers, and don't forget, you can keep these batteries nice and charged if you option in the Solar Panel Plus package. That is going to give you a total of 500 watts of solar on your 38M. Large storage bay here with rotocast, a little pass-through on here. These bays have no organic material in them, no carpet. It's not gonna mold, it's not gonna mildew, it's not gonna get stinky for you. Pet tie down right here so you can travel with all of your friends and make sure that they stay at camp, or tie up the bikes to that. Maybe you're gonna bring some bikes, whatever you want, tie those up there. Another storage bay here. Little storage bay right here. And our exterior propane connection is right here to hook up a grill, hook up a griddle, whatever you need. You can see we have this set up in patio, but if you take these off, you can pull that as a ramp, and then you can drive all of your toys right up in the back of the Outlaw. 8,000-pound hitch on here. Another little storage bay right over here. How about more storage? You want it? Yeah, we got it for you. Another storage bay here. You guessed it, another storage bay here. And this is going to be where your 50 amp shore power cord plugs in. You also have your transfer switch back here. You want more storage. I know, this is packed, isn't it? Think of all the things you can bring with you. A large pass through here. And then we're gonna get to our wet bay. And this is really a nice wet bay here. Probably my favorite of the plumbing systems. This is your Nautilus system here. You have whole home filtration, hot and cold water on your exterior shower. And then all you have to do is turn the knobs to do whatever it is you need to do. Right now we're set up to dry camp, but we want to take and use city water. So there we go. Or maybe we're filling the tank. Whatever it is, just take and follow the guide. It'll never steer you wrong. City water connection, tank flush, even have a light there as well. Storage bay. Guess what this one is? Did you say storage bay? You were wrong, because that's our own quiet gas 5,500 watt generator. See, you thought you had more storage. And our last bay, this is going to be actually all the hydraulics for your one-touch leveling system that make setting up camp fast and easy. So this is going to be a Ford F53 chassis powered by a 7.3 liter V8. Lots of power on board. It's a great driving machine that you can pack up, as you saw, just about anything you want in all of those storage bays. It is the 2025 Outlaw Wild West 38M. If you'd like to build your own and get the MSRP, you can do that right now at thormotorcoach.com.